Are you tired of feeling stuck and unhappy with your life? Do you often find yourself focusing on what's lacking instead of what you already have? It's time to shift your mindset and start counting your blessings. In this video, we'll show you how to cultivate a gratitude mindset and start appreciating the good things in your life. By counting your blessings, you'll start to see the world in a new light, attract more positivity and abundance, and live a happier, more fulfilling life. So take the first step towards a life of gratitude and watch this video now. Join me as I challenge myself to count my blessings every day for a week and see how it changes my life. You know, I've come to realize that one of the most powerful tools for personal transformation is something so simple yet so often overlooked. It's the ability to count our blessings. By doing so, we can shift our focus from what's lacking in our lives to what we already have, and that can be a total game changer. We've all been guilty of it at some point or another, getting caught up in our problems, worries, and frustrations. We focus on what's going wrong, what we don't have, and what we wish we could change. And before we know it, we're stuck in a cycle of negativity and unhappiness. It's like we're programmed to notice what's broken, rather than what's working. Think about it. When was the last time you caught yourself complaining about something or dwelling on a problem? Were you even aware you were doing it? We tend to magnify our frustrations and minimize our blessings, and that's a recipe for disaster. It's no wonder we feel unhappy and unfulfilled. But what if we could flip that script? What if instead of dwelling on the negatives, we could train our minds to focus on the positives? Imagine the impact it could have on our daily lives. What if we could learn to focus on the good stuff, no matter how small or insignificant it may seem? The warmth of a morning coffee, the laughter of a child, or the beauty of a sunset. These small moments, often overlooked, hold immense power. That's what counting our blessings is all about. It's about shifting our perspective and recognizing the abundance in our lives. By acknowledging these moments, we can cultivate a sense of gratitude that permeates our entire being. When we practice gratitude, amazing things start to happen. Our outlook on life changes, and we begin to see the world through a more positive lens. This shift in mindset can lead to a cascade of benefits that enhance our overall well-being. Research has shown that it can improve our mood, help us sleep better, and even strengthen our relationships. Imagine waking up each day with a sense of contentment and joy, knowing that you have so much to be thankful for. And I'm not just talking about feeling good, I'm talking about actual tangible benefits that can transform our lives. Gratitude has the power to reshape our reality, making us more resilient and better equipped to handle life's challenges. For example, one study found that people who kept a gratitude journal experienced a 25% increase in happiness compared to those who didn't. This simple practice of writing down what we're thankful for can have profound effects on our mental health. Another study found that couples who practiced gratitude had stronger, more supportive relationships. By expressing appreciation for each other, they built a foundation of trust and mutual respect that strengthened their bond. And the list goes on. From improved physical health to increased empathy and reduced aggression, the benefits of gratitude are far-reaching. It's a practice that can touch every aspect of our lives, making us happier, healthier, and more connected to those around us. But how do we start? It can be as simple as keeping a gratitude journal where we jot down a few things we're thankful for each day. Or we can make it a habit to express our appreciation to others, whether through a kind word, a note, or a small gesture. The key is consistency. By making gratitude a regular part of our routine, we can train our minds to focus on the positive and cultivate a lasting sense of well-being. So let's take a moment to reflect on the blessings in our lives. Let's appreciate the small things, the everyday moments that bring us joy. And let's commit to practicing gratitude, knowing that it has the power to transform our lives in ways we never imagined. After all, when we count our blessings, we realize that we have more than enough to be thankful for. So how can we start incorporating gratitude into our daily lives? It's a question that many of us ponder, especially in today's fast-paced world where it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle. But taking a moment to reflect on what we're grateful for can have a profound impact on our overall well-being and happiness. One simple method is to keep a gratitude journal. This practice doesn't require any special skills or materials. All you need is a notebook and a pen. The act of writing down your thoughts can be incredibly therapeutic and grounding. It doesn't have to be fancy. Just take a few minutes each day to write down 3 things you're thankful for. These can be big or small, significant or seemingly trivial. The key is consistency. Over time, you'll start to notice a shift in your mindset as you train your brain to focus on the positive aspects of your life. It could be something as simple as a good cup of coffee, a beautiful sunset, or a supportive friend. These small moments of joy can add up and create a more positive outlook on life. When you start to appreciate the little things, you'll find that your overall sense of gratitude grows. Another way is to express thanks to others. This can be done in various forms such as a kind word, a text message, or a small gift. The act of expressing gratitude not only makes the other person feel appreciated but also reinforces your own feelings of thankfulness. Whether it's a kind word, a text message, or a small gift, acknowledging the people who make a positive impact in our lives can have a profound effect on our relationships. It strengthens bonds and fosters a sense of community and belonging. And the best part is, it's not about grand gestures, it's about the little things that add up over time. A simple thank you note, a warm smile, or a heartfelt compliment can go a long way in making someone feel valued and appreciated. You can also try sharing your gratitude with others. This can be done in casual conversations or more formal settings. Sharing what you're thankful for can inspire others to reflect on their own blessings and create a ripple effect of positivity. Whether it's with a friend, family member, or even a stranger, talking about what you're thankful for can be a powerful way to connect with others and build meaningful relationships. It opens up a space for vulnerability and genuine connection. In addition to these practices, you can also incorporate gratitude into your daily routine in other ways. For example, you can start your day with a gratitude meditation, where you take a few moments to focus on the things you're grateful for. This can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Another idea is to create a gratitude jar. Each day, write down something you're thankful for on a small piece of paper and place it in the jar. Over time, you'll have a collection of positive moments to look back on, which can be especially uplifting during challenging times. You can also make it a habit to express gratitude during meals. Whether you're dining alone or with others, take a moment to acknowledge the food on your plate and the effort that went into preparing it. This simple practice can enhance your appreciation for the nourishment you receive. Lastly, consider incorporating gratitude into your bedtime routine. Before you go to sleep, reflect on the positive moments of the day and express gratitude for them. This can help you end the day on a positive note and promote a restful night's sleep. By making gratitude a regular part of your life, you'll start to notice a shift in your perspective. You'll become more attuned to the positive aspects of your life and less focused on the negatives. This can lead to increased happiness, better relationships, and an overall sense of well-being. So start today. Take a moment to reflect on what you're grateful for and find a way to incorporate gratitude into your daily routine. It doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Even the smallest acts of gratitude can make a big difference in your life and the lives of those around you. Remember, gratitude is a practice, not a one-time event. The more you practice it, the more natural it will become. And as you cultivate a habit of gratitude, you'll find that it has the power to transform your life in ways you never imagined. So let's embrace gratitude and make it a part of our daily lives. After all, there's always something to be thankful for. So let's summarize. Counting our blessings is a powerful tool that can transform our lives in ways we might not even realize. It's a simple practice, yet its impact can be profound. When we take the time to acknowledge the good things in our lives, we create a positive shift in our mindset. This shift helps us move away from the negativity that often clouds our thoughts and emotions. Instead of dwelling on what's wrong or what's missing, we start to see and appreciate the abundance that surrounds us. This change in perspective can be incredibly empowering. By focusing on the good stuff, we open ourselves up to more joy and contentment. Gratitude has a way of magnifying the positive aspects of our lives, making them more prominent and impactful. It's like turning up the volume on the things that make us happy. When we incorporate gratitude into our daily routines, we start to notice improvements in various areas of our lives. Our mood becomes lighter and we find ourselves smiling more often. Our relationships grow stronger as we express appreciation for the people we care about. We also experience a greater sense of overall well-being. Gratitude has been linked to numerous health benefits, including reduced stress, better sleep, and even a stronger immune system. It's a practice that nurtures both our mental and physical health. In conclusion, I want to challenge you to start counting your blessings today. It doesn't have to be a grand gesture. Even the smallest moments of gratitude can make a big difference. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on what you're thankful for, whether it's a kind word from a friend, a beautiful sunset, or simply the fact that you have a roof over your head. Share your gratitude with others, and watch how it can change your life. When we express our thanks, we not only uplift ourselves but also those around us. Gratitude is contagious, and it has the power to create a ripple effect of positivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own blessings in the comments below. Your stories and experiences can inspire others to start their own gratitude journey. Let's create a community where we celebrate the good in our lives and support each other in our quest for happiness. If you're looking for more videos on self-improvement strategies, be sure to check out my next video. We'll explore more ways to enhance our well-being, build stronger relationships, and live a more fulfilling life. Remember, the journey to a better you starts with a single step, and practicing gratitude is a great place to begin. So, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more content that can help you on your path to self-improvement. Together, we can create a life filled with joy, purpose, and gratitude. Thank you for being a part of this journey, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.